How to activate American Express gift card. So basically, as you can see right here, you can activate your gift card at this address, which is balance.amexgiftcard.com, or by calling the toll-free number listed on the back of your card, which is this one here. And as you can see, you'll need to provide your card number, valid true date, and security code located on the back of your card. And as you can see, they recommend that you record the following information in case your gift card is ever lost or stolen. So you're gonna have to save the gift card number, the 4-digit card identification code on the front of the card, and the expiration dates. So if you go to this link here, you're gonna get redirected here, and then you're gonna have to simply enter the information right here and then click on continue, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.